Hey, Matt from Roof Racks Galore, and this is the Darche Schitta. That's actually its name. But well, I guess it is kind of fitting. This is your throne away from home. It is the perfect little camp toilet, and it saves you, hanging off the back of a tree at 5 AM questioning your life choices. So it's lightweight, it folds down flat, and it has a hinged toilet seat, so it feels a little bit more like a proper toilet. It's perfect for camping, touring, caravanning, or just to have a cleaner setup at the campsite. It might be small in stature, but it is strong. It has a 120 kilo load rating. Some of the great features is you get this little carry handle on the back, making it easy to move around. I do love the fact that they've included the toilet paper holder and a little table for your phone. And the logo on top is actually luminescent, so you can see it at night time without needing to hunt around with a torch. It does come with 3 biodegradable bags out of the box, but you can buy them in 10-pack rolls when you need more. And so that is the Darche Schitta.